Hi, this is Study with Mo. So today we'll be doing Maths B, May, June 2025, Paper 1, question number 26. Solve the inequality 3x minus 5 less than 15 minus 2x. Okay. So we write 3x plus 2x less than 15 plus 5 equals to 5x less than 20. X 20 divided by 5, so x is less than 4. This is the answer. X is less than 4. This is the answer. Solve the inequality x minus 1 greater than 6, x square minus x greater than 6, x square minus x minus 6 greater than 0. Let's do the middle term here. X square minus 3x plus 2x plus 6 greater than 0. Let's take x common. X minus 3. Let's take 2 common. Plus 2 open bracket. X. Sorry, what did I do? I minus 3. Okay, greater than 0. Now x minus 3 and x plus 2 is the answer. Now what we can do is x minus 3 plus 3, 0 plus 3. So x will be positive 3 since this is, we can cross this up. So x is greater than 3. Now we also have x plus 2 greater than 0. Then x plus 2 minus 2, 0 minus 2. When we give a minus 2 here, the sign changes. So the sign would be x plus 2. Now x is less than minus 2. So the answer is x is greater than 3 and x is less than minus 2. Now what we have, hence find the range of the values of x for which both 3x minus 5 less than 15 minus 2x and x whole bracket x minus 1 is less than 6. So let's have the solution for this. So the solution for this is x is less than 4 and the solution for this is x is greater than 3 and x is less than minus 2. So what we can see here, if we have a cross solution or if we intersect, the intersection solution would be this and this. We can write the combining result. X is less than 4 and x is greater than 3. This is the solution. 3, x is greater than 3, x is less than 4, and x is less than negative 2. We are done with 26.